What if the day you were born holds the secret to becoming a millionaire? Intriguing, right? Could it be that the alignment of the stars and the numbers in your birth date set the stage for your financial future? Welcome to Ethos Dharma, where we delve into Stoicism, Buddhist teachings, and thought-provoking topics that challenge the ordinary and dive into the extraordinary. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our fascinating discussions and insights. In today's episode, we are diving deep into numerology and astrology to uncover whether your birth date could be a cosmic clue to achieving financial success. Ready to explore this exciting concept? Let's get started. For centuries, humans have looked to the skies, seeking meaning and guidance from the celestial bodies. The belief that the stars and planets influence our lives is rooted in ancient traditions, with astrology and numerology playing significant roles in cultures across the globe. Astrology has been practiced for thousands of years, from the Babylonians mapping the constellations to the Greeks linking them to mythological stories. Numerology, too, has a rich history. Early civilizations believed that numbers hold a mystical significance. Pythagoras, the ancient Greek philosopher, famously connected numbers to deeper meanings, suggesting they could reveal secrets about the universe and perhaps numerology and life path numbers. These ancient practices didn't just offer guidance for personal growth, they were also used to predict events, understand personalities, and even forecast wealth and success. Today, we may not rely on these practices as heavily, but the fascination with the cosmic connection remains. So, let's explore how your birth date might be more than just a number. It could be a clue to your financial journey. How does numerology work, and how can it possibly predict your financial future? The key lies in understanding the concept of life path numbers. Numerology is the study of numbers and their symbolic meanings, suggesting that each number carries unique vibrations and energies that can influence our lives. To find your life path number, you start with your full birth date and reduce it to a single digit. Here's how it works. You add together all the digits in your birth date. For example, if you were born on 20th June 1990, you'd add 6 for June plus 2 plus 0 for the 20th plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 for 1990. This gives you 27. Now you add 2 plus 7, which equals 9. In this case, your life path number would be 9. Characteristics and career tendencies. Each life path number is associated with certain characteristics, personality traits, and even career tendencies. Some numbers are linked to creativity, others to leadership, and some to innovation. Numerologists believe that by understanding your life path number, you can gain insights into your potential for financial success and discover the best paths to pursue your dreams. For instance, life path number 1 is known for leadership skills and determination, often seen in entrepreneurs and innovators. Life path number 8 is associated with ambition, power, and a strong desire for success, frequently found in careers in finance or business. Now that we know the basics, let's dive deeper into how these numbers might be connected to becoming a millionaire. Born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th. These dates fall under life path number 1, associated with leadership, innovation, and determination. People born on these dates are often driven to succeed with a strong desire to carve their own path. They might be entrepreneurs, trailblazers, or anyone who thrives on competition. If you're in this group, your ambition could be your greatest asset in building wealth. Born on the 2nd, 11th, 20th, or 29th, this cluster corresponds to life path number 2, indicating diplomacy, cooperation, and harmony. Those born on these dates often excel in teamwork, making them excellent collaborators. They may find success in partnerships or careers that require strong interpersonal skills. If you're here, your ability to connect with others could open doors to financial opportunities. Born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th. Life path number 3 is all about creativity and communication. People born on these dates are often artistic, expressive, and full of innovative ideas. They might excel in creative industries like entertainment, writing, or design. If you're part of this group, your creativity could be the key to unlocking wealth. Born on the 4th, 13th, 22nd, or 31st. These birth dates align with life path number 4, representing discipline, organization, and hard work. Those in this group tend to be reliable and excel at building strong foundations. They often find success in fields that require structure and attention to detail. If you're born on one of these dates, your persistence could lead to financial stability and growth. Born on the 5th, 14th, or 23rd. Life path number 5 is characterized by a love of adventure and change. People born on these dates are often adaptable, energetic, and crave variety. They might thrive in careers that offer travel, new experiences, or dynamic environments. If you're one of these individuals, your flexibility and adventurous spirit could lead to diverse and potentially lucrative opportunities. Born on the 6th, 15th, or 24th. Life path number 6 signifies compassion and responsibility. Those born on these dates often excel in roles that involve caring for others, such as teaching or healthcare. If you're part of this group, your sense of responsibility and empathy could guide you towards success in professions that value these traits. Born on the 7th, 16th, or 25th. Life path number 7 is about spirituality and introspection. People born on these dates are often deep thinkers, seeking knowledge and understanding. They might excel in fields that require analysis or research. If you're in this group, your quest for wisdom could lead to unique financial opportunities. Born on the 8th, 17th, or 26th. Life path number 8 is known for ambition and power. Those born on these dates are often drawn to business and leadership roles. They seek success and are willing to work hard for it. If you're part of this group, your ambition could drive you toward wealth and prosperity. Born on the 9th, 18th, or 27th. Life path number 9 is all about compassion and humanitarianism. People born on these dates often have a strong desire to make a positive impact on the world. They might excel in careers related to charity, social work, or non-profits. If you're in this group, your passion for helping others could lead to a meaningful and prosperous life. While numerology offers intriguing insights into the possible connection between birth dates and financial success, it's important to recognize the challenges and risks that come with the journey to wealth. No matter what your life path number suggests, achieving financial stability requires dedication, discipline, and smart decision-making. One common challenge is the temptation to overspend. Some birth dates are associated with a love of luxury and an enjoyment of the finer things in life. While treating yourself is great, it's crucial to keep a budget and manage your finances wisely to avoid falling into debt. Another potential risk is the pressure to achieve success quickly. The path to wealth is rarely a straight line. Setbacks and obstacles are inevitable. If you're too focused on instant success, you might miss valuable learning experiences along the way. Remember, numerology can guide you, but it's ultimately your hard work, persistence, and sound judgment that will lead to lasting success. Stay focused, be patient, and embrace the journey. As intriguing as numerology is, it's important to approach it with a dose of realism. While it's fun to explore the potential connections between birth dates and wealth, there's no solid scientific evidence that these links are definitive. Wealth is influenced by a multitude of factors, including education, environment, access to resources, and individual effort. Numerology can be a source of inspiration, providing a unique perspective on your personality and potential strengths, but it's not a guarantee of success. The real path to wealth involves hard work, perseverance, and smart financial planning. The stories of successful people often involve setbacks, failures, and a lot of determination. It's essential to remember that wealth and success are not just about cosmic alignments, they're about your actions and choices. Another caution: Relying solely on numerology can lead to unrealistic expectations or even poor financial decisions. If you're making important choices about your career or finances, it's best to consult professionals and do thorough research. Be skeptical of quick fixes and promises of easy wealth. Ultimately, the most powerful force in your journey to success is you. Your dedication, resilience, and willingness to learn will determine where you end up. So while it's fun to explore numerology, always keep your feet on the ground and focus on building a solid foundation for your future. That's a wrap on our exploration of numerology and the potential connections between birth dates and wealth. We hope you found it as intriguing as we did. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmic world of numbers, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our next episode. We'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us what you think about numerology and whether you believe it has a role in shaping our financial futures. Have you experienced any connections between your birth date and your journey to success? We want to know your stories. Remember, while numerology can be a fascinating guide, the most crucial factor in achieving success is your effort, determination, and resilience. Stay curious, work hard, and keep exploring new possibilities. Thanks for joining us on Ethos Dharma. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.